Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, this video will be without Kaya. She doesn't want to record today videos with me. I have here on the table, I can say, the legendary Tesla stereo turntable with built-in stereo amplifier Tesla NZC, Z like zesilovač in Czech language amplifier, NZC 431, produced in the past Czechoslovakia in 80s. And because I usually have more pieces of this type in much more better condition, I decided to sell this piece for spare parts only. I've sold just now the tone arm, so in this video I would like to show you what's inside. You will see the amplifier and how does it look inside. The Tesla NZC 431 is a modernized or little newer type than NZC 420. The 420 has a straight tone arm. This is shaped so as tone arm. Interesting are, for example, these head shells. Click this Headshell, because this Headshell is used for much more types of Tesla turntables, and no alternative production exists. So if you would like to buy old Tesla turntable where should be such a Headshell, it's impossible to use any other one. This is any other connector, and it was used originally mounted on the MC Tesla turntables MC 400, NC 440, NC 450. This Headshell is in pretty nice condition. I will put down also the counterweight. Then main platter is from pressed steel, so it's always in perfect 100% condition, no problems like by the main platters of Tesla turntables, which are made from alloy. When Tesla turntable has alloy main platter, it's in 95% damaged. So the same case, I can say the same case like by the Headshell, you cannot use any other one, and it's usually problem. But on some types of Tesla turntables with main platters from alloy, you can use also this one, but if the main platters have stroboscopic signs from the bottom, it doesn't have it. So let's put it on the side, then I can show you how to put down or down up, how to disassemble the sub-platter, because as you can see, not possible. But here from the top is opening, and if you rotate, you have to find a screw, and if you loosen the screw and move some small metal plate to the side, you can put it up. So I see the screwdriver, too small screwdriver, bigger one. Okay, so, and moved. So sub-platter. Then how to open it? It's not so simple. Simple. There are 4 screws from the bottom, but it's necessary to put down or pull out the knobs. These plastic knobs. Okay, then from the bottom, okay, you see it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it will be more simple with battery screwdriver. So this is the last one. And move the chassis in the front direction. Okay. I will take the camera and make a detailed footage that you can see the motor, this mechanic, and also the amplifier. As you could see, as you will see, there's a dust inside, but never mind, I think that it can be interesting for you. So dear friends, how do you like it? As you could see, there is a motor M303, 24 volts, 300 RPM. I can say all the newer types of Tesla turntable motors, or newer types from 70s, have 300 RPM. And some of them are for higher voltage, and some of them are for 24 volts. So how do you like it? Now I will dismount the tone arm. It will not be so simple, more screws here, but normal mechanical work. So dear friends, write me in comments if you like such a old Tesla turntable with built-in amplifier, and if you are interested in such a turntables in much more better condition, you can write me per email. They are usually always available. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, and if you would like to support my channel, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.